Hey guys, it's Izzy, and today I'm gonna be reviewing the Fashion Angels Find Your Wings box. It's a $30 monthly subscription for tween girls 8 to 12, and it can include accessories or bath stuff or any kind of stuff. Okay, let's go.
This is the April box.
Oh yeah, it's an April box. Whoopsies.
Right, let's open it up.
Okay. Beads.
Can you hold it up so they can see it inside the box?
Okay, so the first thing I pulled out was 500 beads, and I love making bracelets, so that's perfect. I love it. Next is, oh my gosh, I have these and I've used them. It is lavender rose scented bath salts. I love it. This looks like a bracelet kit or necklace kit.
Maybe that goes along with the beads.
Maybe.
Yeah, so you can make jewelry.
Yeah. I love that. I love this. A positivity doodle activity set. And it comes with a super cute little marker pen thing.
Oh, I love that.
Wait, let me look in it. That's one of them. Beautiful. Then there is, what is this?
It's like a bracelet. Some sort of a bracelet.
Probably, because there's a pink and a purple. I'm not sure what this is.
They can always check out the full review on the blog if they're interested in finding out a little more about this.
It's like a rainbow Yeti, except it's a bag. And the inside is like insulated and it's purple with a little button. So you can use it as like a purse or a handbag. It looks like a rainbow Yeti. It's so soft.
Cute.
I love that. And the last thing is this sticker by number set. It's like a fashion designer thing. Stickers, people.
Oh, that's cute. I like that. So for your $30, you get
the fashion
sticker by numbers, the cool Yeti bag, as you called it, this bead kit,
jewelry thingy-mabobber,
500 beads, your relax and recharge bath salts, these bracelets with sliders, those are slider bracelets, and your little positivity doodle activity set. So that's a super cool box, right? Do you love it?
Yes.
What is your favorite subscription box? Find Your Wings by Fashion Angels! All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.